Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for visiting my presentation. I am Tristianto Nugroho from Faculty of Animal Science, Universitas Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. On behalf of my team, I'm going to present our study entitled Protein-to-Protein Interaction of Genes Responsible for Economic Traits of Madura Cattle and In Silico Study Analysis. This paper is presented in the 9th International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Environment organized by Research and Development Center for Biotechnology and Biodiversity, Universitas 11 Maret. The economic value of livestock is determined by the breeding objective. In the case of Madura cattle, as a meat-type cattle, the economic trait can be considered from growth characteristic, carcass yield, and quality, as well as reproduction indicator. The success of a breeding program is depend on achieving all of these traits simultaneously through selection. Nowadays, genomic selection has been proved to be the most successful selection tool and resulted rapid rates of genetic gain, especially in developed countries. However, in Indonesia, genetic-based selection study mostly only in gene polymorphism and its association with phenotype, whereas it is widely known that economic trait is affected by an unknown number of genes. Our previous study found 5 candidate genes potentially associated with 4 economic traits for Madura cattle, including insulin-like growth factor 1, growth hormone receptor, myostatin, leptin, and it is associated with growth, carcass, milk, and reproduction traits. This research shows that multiple genes encode traits and multiple traits encoded by genes which known as polygenic trait and pleiotropy. Regulation of the polygenic and pleiotropy are led by the genes encoding sequence of the genes. Nevertheless, the mutation not only affects solely the protein but altering the cellular network. Hence, the network and interplay between the genes may lead to protein-to-protein interaction. Protein-to-protein interaction are commonly defined as a specific physical contact with molecular docking between protein in a particular biological context. Thus, this paper aims to identify protein-to-protein interaction of genes responsible for economic traits of Madura cattle through in silico study. A set of genes potentially associated with economic traits for Madura cattle used in the study based on our previous study. The species used in the study is Bos taurus because in Bos indicus not all of these genes are found. Protein-to-protein interaction was predicted by computational method in silico using string version 11.5. Interaction analysis used in this study were biological process from gene ontology, molecular function, and KEGG pathways. Only false recovery rates below 0.05 used in this study. And then next, for additional, we add more nodes to the network to predict the functional partner protein. Results shows that all 5 nodes connected direct or indirectly by H. Only growth hormone and myostatin, which not directly connected but still connected through another node. All associations were known from text mining, whereas it also known that the interaction between growth hormone and insulin like growth factor 1, insulin growth factor 1 and growth hormone receptor and leptin and with myostatin were co-expression. Furthermore, interaction between growth hormone with growth hormone receptor and leptin and growth hormone receptor were known interaction from curated databases, while growth hormone and growth hormone receptor interaction were experimentally determined interaction. And then results shows that there are 24 biological processes as potential protein interaction between genes. All genes involved in 6 biological processes. including response to hormone, response to oxygen-containing compound, cell surface receptor, signaling pathway, regulation of signal transduction, positive regulation of cellular metabolic process, and positive regulation of macromolecule metabolic process. And then there are three molecular functions that fall in the matching protein, but there are not found that there are only four matching protein. There's no five matching protein in the molecular function, as well as the KEGG pathways. There are four matching protein for one pathway, and there are no five matching protein from the selected genes. And then next are the predicted functional partner protein of the set genes. There are five predicted as functional partner genes, namely leptin receptor, tyrosine protein kinase receptor, activin receptor type 2B precursor, insulin-like growth factor 1 receptor, and insulin-like growth factor binding protein. Based on the result, we can demonstrate protein-to-protein interaction between insulin-like growth factor 1, growth hormone 1, growth hormone receptor, myostatin, and leptin genes, which are potentially related to each other. Association study between mentioned genes with economic traits on Madura cattle is required to validate the interaction.